All right, let us understand the different stages. All right, there are 7 stages, very simple. All right, if you pay attention, you'll be able to understand the lesson. All right, so let's start the first stage. The stage 1, seed is placed in the moist soil. Okay, the seed is placed in the moist soil now. So this is the early stage, or the first stage, when a seed is placed in the moist soil, all right, or wet soil. So main function of this is it absorbs water present around it. All right, so what does the seed do now? What's the reason after putting it? What's the reason of for the seed? What will the seed do now? The seed will absorb the water which is present in the soil. All right, when we water, okay, whenever we try to water the soil or water the plant or water the seed, right, the seed will absorb the water from the soil. All right, so let us go to next stage over here, the stage 2. Water reaches the baby plant embryo through tiny hole present in the seed coat. All right, now over here, the water reaches the baby plant and the embryo inside the seed. Once the seed starts getting water, it starts absorbing the water. Water gets into the seed, right, through a tiny hole known as micropyle. Through this pore, water enters the seed. Through this pore, the water enters the seed, micropyle. Okay, the next stage now. Stage 3, the embryo absorbs water and grows in size. Here, the embryo, after absorbing water, grows. All right, it's grown in size now. Here the seed has grown, and see, the root or the radical or the baby root has started coming out from the seed. Okay, in this stage. Now let's go to stage 4. All right, in stage 4, the embryo breaks open the seed coat and plumule embryo shoot comes out. All right, now over here. Here, the baby plant starts growing. All right, baby plant starts growing the radical. That is the baby root into the soil, which in turn fixes the soil. Now this root, baby root, now fixes the plant. The root helps in absorbing water and minerals from the soil. All right, now let's go to stage 5. The embryo starts to grow into plumule or baby shoot. Finally, now the embryo over here breaks open the seed coat or the outer covering of the seed, and the baby shoot shows the plumule. The plumule comes out. Here the embryo breaks, and what comes out, class? The baby shoot or the plumule. All right, over here. Now let's go to stage 6. The first pair of green leaves comes out. All right, the shoot starts growing towards the sun, because the plant requires sunlight, so it starts growing towards the sun. And the first pair, can you see 2 pairs? First pair of green leaves comes out. These leaves are also known as foliage leaves. F-O-I-L-A-G-E. All right, foliage leaves. Now in the end, the last and the final stage is, finally the cotyledon shrinks and disappears. We get a new plant called seedling. Now this is the last stage. In this stage now, we have come to stage 7 now. The cotyledon shrinks and disappears, starts disappearing, and we get the young plant, that is the seedling over here. Now this is the seedling. Now from the seed, it has changed to various stages and has changed into seedling. Another name for seedling is saplings. This is the final stage of germination. Okay, so today we have covered a very important topic, where the seed changes into various stages leading to seedling or sapling. So this is the process of germination of seeds.